stop. When you start feeling that icky sauce, that something's going on and you're getting consumed because you think your boss is mad at you or your spouse is, out doing something else. And it's time to stop and observe what's going on. And a great way to do that is through just becoming aware into the moment. You can do it. You can use even a mantra, just, I'm focused, I'm focused, I'm focused. And what that does is it takes all this stuff that's happening, all these conceptual things that's taking you down the rabbit hole, and you're kind of getting out of the water and you're observing. You can't, when you're in the water and you're in that tumultuous rapids, you can't help yourself. You can't even give yourself good advice because you're consumed with it, and your limbic system and your ego are all activated. And so you can't really make a response that's appropriate there. So the thing to do there is, and I've created the technology called Stop, Challenge, and Choose. It's a great time to stop, get out of the way, get out of the water, take some deep breaths and observe what's going on, not allowing yourself to go down that rabbit hole. It's so critical to do that.